Back at it again. All right, so got a couple interesting upgrades for you guys. Like we talked about last time, got a light bar on there. Did a little work on here, started up our dash. It's looking pretty janky right now, but eventually that's gonna be for our key start. We also finished welding on our rear view mirror. That's gonna be helpful for our little test drive today. Threw some harnesses in. Safety first. We also added our big boy 5-gallon gas tank. We got the beautiful weather. Got some GoPros set up. I think it's time for us to get out there and do a little test drive. What do you think?
That sounds about right. It's go time, baby.
Heck yeah, well, you're gonna drive us out there because you haven't even been on this thing yet. So what do you say we back it out and get it fueled up?
That sounds hype, my guy.
You're gonna follow us in the Jeep, our rescue vehicle. All right, dude, well, hop in and I'll start you up.
Let's do it.
You're gonna need these, the speeds we'll be traveling.
Go, baby. Right. Gas?
Oh, that's right. That's your gas. Brake pedal's on the left. That's pretty much all you need to know. The rest of it's automatic.
All right, dude. Well, let's go send it, baby.
Try it out.
I'm like looking for a blinker out here.
Yeah, you're not gonna get one just yet. I told you! Spitting a hat around.
Speed limit?
Yes. Yeah, boy. This is what it's designed for. This right here.
Likes this so much better than the road. So dumb. Oh, dude. What the This is awesome, bro.
See what I'm saying? That's why we're filming this series.
Yeah, it is. This is so cool. Oh my God.
Well, let's kill it and get situated. No gas leaks, that's a good sign. Now, here's the real question. Was it worth the wait?
Dude. Look at it. In every possible sense of that saying, it was worth the wait.
Love it. Well, that was fun.
Yes, it was.
What do you think, Trey? You got your first ride in. Were you impressed?
That was the best day of my life.
I'm happy, man. Yeah, we did good, right? I mean,
And he didn't kill the cart.
here, hang on, Ann. Oh, you probably got it. Oh, don't flip. You didn't kill the cart, and neither did I. I was the one I was really worried about. But yeah, that gas tank, love it, sick. The light bar, it's gonna be so cool. We threw the harnesses in.
The harnesses performed nicely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Snugged in there.
Yeah, man, you know, there's no rattling around, which is nice, especially once we got into the state forest, you're hitting potholes and stuff.
Yeah.
Good to have that, so.
The dash I'm excited about, even though it's just started.
Yeah, that's gonna come a long way. That's gonna be really nice when we finish it up. Get that little piece of brushed aluminum in there, get your key start, your lights, all the fun switches.
Right.
So,
No more pull start.
no more pull start. Man, I keep forgetting about that. I should be more excited about that. That's a huge upgrade. Just right on the dash, that's gonna be awesome. I think we ought to be pretty close to getting started on that red card again.
Yes.
It's way more fun to have too. But the other thing from last time that we have not touched on yet is we had a little surprise delivery from the Amazon guy.
Yes, we did.
Who was back again today, which was cool.
How you doing? Again, you're back. What's going on?
What's going on, dude?
Man, thank you.
That's us. All right, man. Have a good one, sir.
Yeah, man,
My
those
man.
royalties are coming.
Time for
I
this?
think it's time. Pull that thing out.
All right. And here it is.
Ooh, baby, get that thing out of there. Yeah, we got ourselves a new exhaust. So that's gonna be a lot of fun to play with. That's gonna sound great and also up our performance quite a bit. Yeah, let's get this thing all the way out. Went with the, you know, the brushed, with the chrome, you know, because that's how we do it. The other really cool thing about this particular exhaust and why I selected this one is because it's got a removable decibel killer back here. So when we're on the street and stuff like that, trying to not make too much of a racket, we can leave that in, and as soon as we get out into the woods, put a little Allen key in there, pop this out. We basically got a big old straight pipe. It's a resonator, but pretty damn close. So that's gonna be so cool. I can't wait to have that. Trey, I'm sure you noticed as we were driving around, even on the road, we were getting some pretty good backfires out of the stock exhaust. So imagine what it's gonna sound like here. But you can't put on just an exhaust.
No.
So, we got another box, which this one I'm gonna need a knife for. Got a knife, Trey?
Got this new one actually. Check it out.
Wow, this is crazy light, dude. Get in here. So, in addition to our exhaust, we got ourselves some sweet new air filters. We can ditch that duct taped custom air box that we built.
Right?
And the attachment points for that. Got some heavy duty springs so that when we're spinning this thing up at 5,000 plus RPM, we're not getting any valve float. As well as in here, we've got new jets for our carbs so we can push more gas through. If we're gonna have a 5-gallon gas tank, what's fuel economy, right? I mean, and then of course, to put it all together, we got these nice straight pipe headers, which I'm gonna chop up. I've also got some J bent pipe from Summit Racing. Between the exhaust, the headers, and those J pipes, we're gonna be able to make a pretty cool exhaust. So that's gonna be fun. That'll be for a future episode.
It was a good day.
I'd say so.
You didn't burn the shop down.
I didn't burn the shop down.
Came close.
I still feel bad about that. Oh, That's what I get for not using a fire retardant blanket. I did order a flame retardant blanket though, so you live and you learn.
Yeah.
All right, let's call it a wrap right there. We'll catch you guys next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, if nothing else, for the Amazon guy. He really wants those royalties.
Yeah, he does.
All right, let's get out.